In this presentation, we will explore the fourth normal form, often abbreviated as 4NF. We'll understand how it deals with multi-valued dependencies in databases. This is an advanced topic in database normalization, building upon the concepts of first, second, and third normal forms, as well as Boyce-Codd normal form or BCNF. Fourth normal form or 4NF is a level of database normalization that builds upon the first three normal forms. Those are first NF, which eliminates repeating groups, second NF, which removes partial dependencies, third NF, which removes transitive dependencies. For NF specifically addresses multi-valued dependencies that can cause data redundancy. A relation is in 4NF if it is in Boyce-Codd normal form and has no multi-valued dependencies except for those that are functional dependencies. A multi-valued dependency, or MVD, occurs when an attribute determines a set of values for another attribute, independent of other attributes. For example, consider a table of students, skills, and courses. We have student ID S1 who has skills in Java and Python and is enrolled in courses CS 101 and CS 102. Here, student ID determines the set of skills and the set of courses independently. Therefore, student ID to skill and student ID to course are multi-valued dependencies because they are independent of each other. A multi-valued dependency, or MVD, is formally defined as X y, where X and Y are sets of attributes and X multi-determines Y. For each X value, there is a set of Y values that is independent of other attributes. Multi-valued dependencies can cause several problems, including data redundancy, update anomalies, insert anomalies, delete anomalies, and a combinatorial explosion of tuples. A relation violates 4NF when it contains a non-trivial multi-valued dependency that is not also a functional dependency. Consider a table before 4NF, which includes professors, subjects, and textbooks. For example, Professor Smith teaches math, and the textbooks are Algebra 1 and Calculus. Professor Smith also teaches computer science, and the textbooks are Algebra 1 and Calculus. In this relation, professor to subject and professor to textbook are multi-valued dependencies. Subject and textbook are independent, and every combination must appear. To convert a relation to 4NF, decompose it into multiple relations where each MVD becomes a functional dependency. For each non-trivial MVD, X y, create relation R1 with attributes X and Y. Create relation R2 with attributes X and Z, where Z contains all remaining attributes. Here's the 4NF result. We have a professor-subject table with professor and subject, for example, Smith teaches math and Smith teaches computer science. We also have a professor textbook table with professor and textbook. For example, Smith uses Algebra 1 and Smith uses Calculus. When implementing fourth normal form in your database design, there are many benefits. These include eliminating redundant data storage, reducing update anomalies, improving data integrity, simplifying query logic, and reducing storage requirements. Here is an SQL implementation example. We create a table called professor_subject, which has professor ID, integer, subject ID, integer, primary key is professor ID and subject ID, foreign key professor ID references professor's ID. Then we create table professor_textbook, which has professor ID integer, textbook ID integer, primary key professor ID and textbook ID, foreign key professor ID references professor's ID. Here are the key takeaways. 4NF addresses multi-valued dependencies. MVDs cause redundancy and anomalies. Decompose relations with independent multi-valued attributes. Each MVD becomes a separate relation. And 4NF builds upon Boyce-Codd normal form. When should you apply 4NF? When you have independent sets of values, when data redundancy is causing issues, when you need to maintain data integrity, when storage efficiency is important, and when query performance is suffering. After achieving 4NF, you may consider fifth normal form, which deals with join dependencies, and domain key normal form, which represents the ultimate normal form that encompasses all normalization requirements. This concludes our presentation on fourth normal form from the Database Normalization series. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.